Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, standard first, semester second book. So, today, as we have already started the revision, yes or no? We have completed revision 1, 2, 3. Today is the fourth one, part fourth. Fish in the pond. Lesson number 11. Topic is fish in the pond. Fish in the pond. So this is a pond. It is a small pond. It is near the village. The name of the village is Wadi. The name of the village is Wadi. Many fish live in this pond. Some fish are red, some fish are blue, some fish are pink, some are colorful fish. Fish swim in the water. They flash water on one another. They run after one another. Children come to the pond. They stand near the pond. They watch the colorful fish. They watch them play. They watch them play. Okay, this is the revision going on. So be concentrated, children. So this is a small pond. Small pond. It is a small pond. This is a pond. It is a small pond. It is near the village. It is near the village. The name of the village is Wadi. Wadi. So in this pond, there are many fish in this pond. Some fish are which color? Red color. Some fish are blue color. Some fish are pink color. Some fish are colorful fish. They swim in the water. They swim in the water. Swim means तैरना. Swim in the water. They splash. Splash means अपना जो पंख का पानी होता है वो दूसरे फिश पे उड़ाना पंख से. Splash water on one another. They ran after one another. They used to run after one another. Children come to the pond. Children come to the pond. They stand near the pond. They watch the colorful fish. They watch them play. How they are playing, what they are doing, they used to watch. One day, a big fish entered the pond. One day, what happened? Do you know? A big fish entered in the pond. Some fish are scared of the big fish. Okay, what happened here? Small fish are scared of the big fish. Yes. One day when the big fish entered, what happened? Small fish they were afraid. They were afraid that the big fish will come and eat us. They ran here and there. Some fish hide behind the rocks. Behind the rocks they went and they were hiding. Some fish hide under the rock. They were, see here, you can see the picture, no? See, बड़े बड़े रॉक के पीछे, वो पत्थर के पीछे छुप रहे थे. On the rocks. Some fish climb on the rocks. They were climbing on the rock. On the rock. Rock के ऊपर. So the big fish cannot find small fish because all were hidden here and there. She moves here and there. The big fish was seeing where the fish are because all are hidden. See. No? Then what happened? She leaves the pond. Seeing here and there, she is tired now. She is tired. Arre, now nobody is there here. No small fish. How I will get? I am feeling hungry now. It will leave the pond and go. All small fish came out of their hiding places. All came out now. They begin to play. Again they started playing. The children watch this fish play. It is fun to watch the fish play. The fish play. Aquarium, this is. See here, in the aquarium, you can see many types of fish will be there. Many type of fish will be there in the aquarium. So, page number 22. Page number 22. Exercise. Answer the following question in one sentence each. Where is the pond? Where is the pond? Okay. See here. Once again, I will show you. The question answers. Fish in the pond. Answer the following questions in one sentence. Where is the pond? The pond is near the village called Wadi. The pond is near the village called Wadi. Where do the fish live? The fish live in the pond. Where do the fish live? Where do the fish live? The fish live in the pond. The fish live in the pond. Yes. The fish live in the pond. Who is watching the fish play? Who is watching the fish play? The children are watching the fish play. The children are watching the fish play. Then, who enters the pond? A big fish enters the pond. A big fish enters the pond. Where do the fish hide? Some fish hide behind the rocks, some under the rocks, some climb on the rocks to hide. Some fish hide behind the rocks. Behind the rocks, some under the rocks, some climb on the rocks to hide. On the rocks to. Now, see here. Second one. Tick the correct statement. Wrong the wrong ones. Wrong the wrong ones. It is a big pond. No, wrong. A big fish gets some fish. A big fish gets some fish. Wrong. The children entered the pond. Wrong. A big fish entered the pond. Correct. The fish splash water on one another. Correct. Yes, this way you have to write. Then activity language development. Observe the pictures, write the words with the given sounds, read each word aloud and learn the spellings. Sound. Then brick, brick, bread, bread, brown. Brick, bread, brown. GRASS, grass. GRAPES, grapes. GRINDER, grandeur, grandeur. TR, tree. TREE, train, tray. FR, frog, fruits, frock. Fruits, fruit and frog. Frog, fruits. Then flag, FL, flag. Flute, floor. CR, crown, crow, cross. Rearrange the words and rewrite the sentences. Dog, ball, the is playing with a. The dog is playing with a ball. The dog is playing with a ball. Swimming, the is in duck pond. The duck is swimming in the pond. Playing are children, the in sand. Children are playing in the sand. Love to I, school going. I love going to school. I love going to school. Then, activity grammar preposition. Circle the things Tarun has on his table. On his table. Book, eraser, pencil, pen stand, carron box, clock and chair. They are not on the table. On the table, what is there? That only we have to circle. The chair is aside. The chair is aside. Eraser, rubber, that is not there. Clock is to the wall. (22), 23 we have completed. Now 24. 24 page number. Circle the things Tanya has in her cupboard. Tanya has in her cupboard. That is frogs, fish, here artificial fish, teddy, then purses. Third one. Tick the correct position word. Tick the correct position word. The cat is jumping over under the chair. Over. The mouse is sitting over under the chair. The mouse is sitting over under the chair. The mouse here, you can see the mouse, no? Yes, under the chair. Moti the dog is behind in front of the gate. Behind Moti. Moti the dog is behind it is. Then Fulfi the cat is behind in front of the gate. It is front of the gate. Mr. Mojito is standing near between the trees. Between. ये दो झाड़ों के बीच में, that is called between. The children are playing near between the trees. Near the trees, the children are playing. Read the lesson, fish in the pond. Underline the prepositions as you read. Then challenge. Write 3 sentences using different prepositions, position words. Read the lesson, fish in the pond. Underline the prepositions as you read. Yes, underline the preposition near, in, on, after, behind, under. Now challenge. Write 3 sentences using different prepositions. Using different prepositions. Position words, different prepositions. Write 3 sentences. So, my house is near the main market. My house is. Challenge. Write 3 sentences using different prepositions. Then, my house is near the main market. Your book is in your bag. You come after me. Position words. Where is the dog? The dog is outside the kennel. Where is the puppy? The puppy is inside the kennel. Where are the children playing? The children are playing on the ground. See here, position words. This is outside, inside, on. Okay, children? Yes. Now, I have completed the revision of the fish in the pond. From page number, you have to write from page number 22, from question answer exercise 22 to 24 for 2 times and learn by heart. With this, we will meet in the next video, children. Thank you.